I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the app or a browser open and signed in. Once ready, choose whether you'll use the YouTube app or a browser tab. First, pick the video you want and begin playback so audio is active. If you're on Android, tap the three-dot menu or use split screen. On iPhone, prepare Safari for picture-in-picture. Make sure device volume and do not disturb settings allow background audio. Start playback now and keep the app or tab accessible. Once the video plays, enable picture-in-picture on iOS by tapping the Pi-P icon or pressing home. On Android, use the Pi-P button or recent apps. If using a browser, request the desktop site, start playback, then switch tabs. Audio should continue. If you have YouTube Premium, open settings and toggle background playback for seamless audio when the screen locks. These steps ensure audio continues while you navigate away from the app or lock the screen. To finish, lock the screen or switch apps. You should still hear audio. If playback stops, reopen the YouTube app or tab and re-enable picture-in-picture or request desktop site again. Sometimes the player needs a nudge. Make sure battery saver or app background restrictions aren't blocking audio, and grant necessary permissions for background activity. If problems persist, restart the device. This clears temporary audio routing and usually restores background playback quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.